One bright morning, Max woke up and gasped. Oh no, all the colors were gone. His room, usually full of bright, happy paintings, was now dull and gray. Max felt a little scared and a lot worried. What could have happened to all the colors? But Max wasn't about to let the world stay gray. Oh no! He grabbed his trusty backpack and set off on a big adventure. Outside, everything was gray and lifeless too. But Max was determined. He was ready to find those colors, no matter what. As Max walked through the gray, gloomy world, he spotted something. It was a tiny flower, and it still had a faint glow of color. "Hi, I'm Flora," the flower said. Flora explained that the colors disappeared because people stopped caring for each other and the world. Max listened carefully. He knew what he had to do. He had to spread kindness to bring the colors back. Max continued his journey and soon met a gray squirrel. The poor squirrel was sad because he couldn't find any acorns to eat. Max smiled and decided to share his lunch with the squirrel. And just like magic, a small patch of color started to return around them. Max felt a warm, fuzzy feeling inside. He was really making a difference. Next, Max found a lonely bird perched on a gray tree branch. The bird looked so sad. He missed singing with his friends. Max encouraged the bird. "Come on, give it a try." The bird took a deep breath and started to sing. As his beautiful song filled the air, the trees and sky began to regain their vibrant colors. Max beamed with joy. The world was slowly coming back to life. Finally, Max looked around and saw the world bursting with color again. The trees were green, the sky was blue, and the flowers were bright and beautiful. Max smiled. He knew that by spreading kindness and helping others, he had brought the colors back to life. Max learned something important that day. When we care for each other and the world around us, everything becomes brighter and happier. And from that day on, Max made sure to spread kindness wherever he went, so the world would always stay full of color.